on live?
Not yet.
Okay.
She hadn't pointed at me yet, and plus you're not going to play till I tell you. We're on? Hey, sorry about the delay, folks. We had a little thing. We're missing Gary Swan this week, so I'm going to miss that great piano playing. He's so much fun to work with. And Palmer's not here. He had, I guess, something else to do. But we got Chris Ross with us, and we love Chris. And of course, we got Bob. He's here a lot anyway, but he's kind of like our guest artist this week. He's going to do most of the singing.
Hey man, don't lay that on me.
Well, it's on you now. And Paul Marshall took off, so of course, I always call this guy my ace in the hole. Old Dan Hugart. Dan, thanks for coming out.
I gotta leave.
He's got to leave, yeah. You see there? Okay, so it's all yours.
Thank you. Here we go. Girl, you taught me how to hurt real bad, cry myself to sleep. Showed me how this town shattered dreams. Another lesson that a naive fool came to Babylon. Found out that the pie don't taste so sweet. And now it's guitars, Cadillacs, hillbilly music, and lonely, lonely streets that I call home. All my guitars, Cadillacs, hillbilly music, the only thing that keeps me hanging on. There ain't no glamour in this tinsel land, lost and wasted life. Painful scars, that's all that's left for me. I'd like to thank you, girl, for teaching me brand new ways to be cruel. If I can find my mind, well, I'll just leave. And now it's guitars, Cadillacs, hillbilly music, and lonely, lonely streets that I call home. All my guitars, Cadillacs, and hillbilly music, the only thing that keeps me hanging on. Play it, mama. Now it's guitars, Cadillacs, hillbilly music, and lonely, lonely streets that I call home. All my guitars, Cadillacs, and hillbilly music, the only thing that keeps me hanging on. The only thing that keeps me hanging on. The only thing that keeps me hanging on. Whoa, Thank you so much.
Dwight Yoakam. What a guy.
Yeah.
Dan, don't talk too much now. We're doing a show.
He's pacing himself.
So this is like, this is kind of like, you know, we're in my garage, my upholstery business garage, and this is kind of like a garage band today. You know, 2 guitars, bass and drums. You know, no keyboard, no harmonica, no fiddle, no, just the basics, you know.
Yeah, we're in the garage.
And we are in the garage, I just said that. I'll say it again.
Playing Louie.
Okay. Louie. No, we're going to do country music.
Yeah.
Bob, you know, Paul's not here this week, and then Gary. So It's kind of on you. This is almost like the Bob Gothar show.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Bob's. We're gonna call it Bob's Country Corner.
Oh, no. Now I've heard everything.
This is Bob's
Do another one.
cornfield.
Okay, we'll do another one.
Before I do it, it'll
Yeah. Let's do Ring of Fire in A. Okay.
We'll see how it works.
A 1, 2, 3. Love is a burning thing, and it makes a fiery ring, bound by wild desire. I fell into a ring of fire. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher, and it burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire, the ring of fire. The taste of love is sweet when hearts like ours meet. I felt for you like a child. Oh, but the fire went wild. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher, and it burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire, the ring of fire. Flames went higher, it burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire, the ring of fire. One more time. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher, and it burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire, the ring of fire. Burns, burns, the ring of fire, the ring of fire, the ring of fire. Classic.
Next song. Okay, so we're here at Carmine's Country Corner, and I'm working at Knott's Berry Farm 4 days this week, which is kind of cool. And what else? I don't have Gary to go to. I got Bob. Dan, you want to do one yet? You want me to do one?
Okay, I'll do it.
Yeah. Okay, Dan's gonna do one.
Right on.
It's moving right along. And we started a little late, so we're gonna go a little over to make up for it. We got Roy here with us. He's gonna get up and do one with us, so we're having some fun.
Let's do Memphis.
Okay.
Style I know.
Cool. So you count it off.
Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. was waving me goodbye. With her at home drive son, she that took off from her eye. But we were pulled apart because her mom did not agree. And tore apart our happy home in Memphis, Tennessee. Brought me information, more than that I cannot add. Only that I miss her and all the fun we had. He's only 6 years old, the information please. Try to put me through the hole in Memphis, Tennessee. Blue, broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, and no matter how I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. I never felt so down and out, never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Take it, mommy. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. One more time.
explain the way I play. Every tear I cry is weird. And since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, blue and broken hearted. Thanks for bearing with us while Bobby and I went off on a guitar journey,
Wonderland.
whatever you call it.
Guitar Wonderland.
That was great.
Wonderland.
Love playing with him. All right, Bobby, got another one?
I sure do.
Let's do it.
Okay. Let's do Big City.
What key are you in?
E.
E.
Yeah.
Fast.
One.
One, the record is.
Yeah. One, a two, a one. I'm tired of this dirty old city. Entirely too much work and never enough play. And I'm tired of these dirty old sidewalks. I think I'll walk off my steady job today. So turn me loose, set me free, somewhere in the middle of Montana. Give me all I've got coming to me, and you can keep your retirement and your so-called Social Security. Big city, turn me loose and set me free. I've been working every day since I was 20. I haven't got a thing to show for anything I've done. And there's folks who never work and they've got plenty. I think it's time some guys like me had some fun. So turn me loose, set me free, somewhere in the middle of Montana. Give me all I've got coming to me, and you can keep your retirement and your so-called Social Security. Big city, turn me loose and set me free. Social Security. Big city, turn me loose and set me free. Hey, big city, turn me loose and set me free. Cool. Thank you.
Bob, I love playing with you, I should say. You play good.
Here goes
Some-
Palmer, just kidding.
Yeah, well. Yeah, man. Somebody pulled in like a big white brand new car. Maybe they got money. What do you think, Dan? Try not to talk over me.
They have money. They have money. You say they have money. I'm gonna join that guy's band.
Okay.
Use small monitor.
You need a monitor?
Dan can use small monitor. A little bit.
Oh,
A little
Which
more
one are you
high
in?
too.
you talking about you or him?
Well, you know what? I don't know how this is wired.
I don't know what they're doing back there, but they're having fun.
Yeah,
Come on in.
the water's fine.
Is that Tim? This might be my, like, a relative. Maybe not. Anyway, we're gonna do another song. Maybe I'll do another one.
What do you want to do?
Key of E, Swinging Doors.
Okay, cool.
No,
151,
yeah, I
right?
think it's Swinging Doors. Sorry, we're in the middle of a show. This old swinging doors is something I'm not used to. I just left my home to keep you satisfied. Come on by, see me anytime you want to. And you could always find me here to closing time. Swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Come on by, see me anytime you want to. Then you'll always find me here to closing time. I've got everything I'll need to drive me crazy. I've got everything I'll need to lose my mind. And the atmosphere in here is just right for heartache. Thanks to you, I'm always here to closing time. I've got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Come on by, see me anytime you want to. And you'll always find me here to closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Come on by to see me anytime you want to. You'll always find me here till closing time. Let's take off. Thank you, folks. Stop clapping. It's okay. So we started a little late, so we're going to go a little late. Dan, you got another one in you?
Yeah, right here.
Lots of stops.
I think he said something.
We might as well do the dreaded Hillbilly Rock.
Hillbilly Rock. That's a good song. It's fun to play.
Sure is.
Okay.
We'll do it in A. 1, 4, 3.
Don't forget to push like and share if you're watching us on Facebook, on YouTube. Subscribe. And there's something else. You know what to do. These people with the computer, they know what to do. Just do it and help us out. We're having a great time.
No, you count it off.
1, 2, 3. Here comes the Mississippi down in Alabama, creeping like a fever all across the land. Some keeping the Delta on the Louisiana shore. The people gotta have it, they want to hear some more. It's the hillbilly rock, beating like a drum, playing that guitar like shooting from a gun. Keeping up the rhythm, steady as a clock. Don't little thing called the hillbilly rock. Say it came from Memphis down in Tennessee, or it could be different church by 1952. Just as long as it's crazy, as long as it's fast, as long as it's long and hard, it's gonna last. It's the hillbilly rock, beating with a drum, playing that guitar like shooting from a gun. Keeping up the rhythm, steady as a clock. Do a little thing called the hillbilly rock. Way back in old Kentucky where the bluegrass grows, through the Carolinas and the dirt red road, burned like a fire running wild in the woods. From Arkansas to Texas, it sounds so good. It's the hillbilly rock, beating like a drum, playing that guitar like shooting from a gun. Keeping up the rhythm, steady as a clock. Do a little thing called the hillbilly rock.
Wait. Hold it. I lost my mind. I already did that song. I'm going to do another one.
Okay. What you gonna do, Carmine?
Play the lady. I remember the year Clayton DeLay died. And they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. And it made a big impression on me. fool kid. You know, they said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. And I thought he was a hero. Used to follow Clayton around. I often wondered why Clayton, who seemed so good to me, he never took his guitar, made it down in Tennessee. Show us, Bobby. About it, admitted old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I could see him half stoned, picking out the lovesick blues. Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm gonna carry on somehow, and I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. This week, a lot of people call him Frog, and now you don't come around as much as you used to. You know, come over here to this mic.
I don't do a lot of things.
Like you used to. I don't either.
And he's got a cool '57 Chevy
God,
truck.
He's got a great-looking truck. But I want to thank you for all your support and your friendship. And strap that thing on. I'm going to give you my mic, and we're going to cut you loose.
Oh,
okay?
be the first time.
Okay, go get it. Well, you cover me on the in-between talk now. What are you doing, Roy?
Me?
Let us know what key you're in and knock it out.
It's getting darker early now.
It is.
Significant.
I got the bright lights on. I hope it's working.
Yeah.
Might be too bright.
John Williams song.
Okay, tell him what key and what it is. I think we know the song.
John Williams song, Lord, I hope this day.
Oh, Lord, I hope this day is good. Yeah.
Sorry, I got you folks waiting, but I'll move you down in a minute.
Lord, I hope this day is good. I'm feeling empty and misunderstood. Should be thankful, Lord, I know I should. But Lord, I hope this day is good.
Let's do, hey, good looking. What you got cooking, baby?
Usually when Roy gets up here, we always have him do more than one, but because the late start and the late finish and the time thing, and we're going to cut you short this time, but come back and don't be late.
Yeah, in the key of C.
What are we doing?
A Hank Williams number called Hey, Good Looking. What you
Love
got
that
cooking?
song.
Here we go, yeah. 1, 2, 1. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe we could find us a brand new recipe? I got a hot Rockford and a $2 bill. I know a spot right over the hill. There's soda pop and the dancing's free. So if you wanna have fun, come along with me. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me, Carmine? Hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe we could find us a brand new recipe? No more looking, I know I've been tookin'. How's about keeping steady company? I'm gonna throw my date book over the fence. Buy me one for 5 or 10 cents. Keep it till it's covered with age. I write your name down in every page. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Like I said before, hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe we could find us a brand new recipe? No more looking, I know I've been tookin'. How's about keeping steady company? I'm gonna throw my date book over the fence. Buy me one for 5 or 10 cents. Keep it till it's covered with age. I write your name down in every page. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up with me? Oh, yeah. A true story.
freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. There's bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. That old dog fight and people there would treat you fine. That old dog would bite and people there would treat you fine. That white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. Going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. I think that's almost a
Yeah, okay.
Let me check the time, folks.
Flip up phone.
Oh, yeah. We're going to decide. You got the bullshit.
Okay. Oh boy, that'll be
Bob, I want to thank you for saving the night.
Oh, Bob.
You kept the ship from sinking.
Okay.
Well, is that what you do whatever you want to do, but that's a good song. Okay, folks, summer's almost over, so we're going to do an old song called the Summertime Blues. And
I got them.
yeah, and we all got them a little, maybe. We'll see you next week at 6 o'clock. Don't be late. If there's any changes, we'll let you know.
Here we go. 1, 2. I'm gonna raise a fuss. I'm gonna raise a holler about working all summer just to try to earn a dollar. Every time I call my baby, try
roll dice and you gotta work late. Sometimes I wonder just what I'm gonna do. There ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Well, now my mama and papa told me, son, you gotta make some money. If you wanna use the car to go riding next Sunday. Well, I didn't go to work. I told the boss I was sick. He said, you can't use the car because you didn't work a lick. Sometimes I wonder just what I'm gonna do. There ain't no cure for the summertime blues. I'm gonna take my problems to the United Nations. Well, I called my congressman. She said, vote. To help your son, but you're too young to vote. Sometimes I wonder just what I'm gonna do. There ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Cause you didn't work a lick. Sometimes I wonder just what I'm gonna do. Well, there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Ain't no cure. That's for sure.
Good night, folks. See you next week.
All right.